say more English.
Hi, this buffet looks very popular today.
Yes, there are many people waiting in line.
Is this your first time eating at this buffet?
No, I come here about once a month.
That's nice. Do you like buffets?
Yes, I like having many food choices.
Me too. What kind of food do they have here?
They have salad, soup, seafood, and hot dishes.
I see sushi over there. Is it good?
Yes, it's fresh, but it runs out quickly.
Then we should get some first.
Good idea. What do you want to eat first?
I think I'll start with salad and soup.
I usually start with hot food.
Do you want rice or noodles today?
I want a small bowl of noodles.
The noodles smell really good.
Yes, and the chef makes them fresh.
How about drinks? Are they included?
Yes, water, soda, and juice are included.
That's great. I'll get some iced tea.
I'll just have water for now.
Do you try desserts at buffets?
Sometimes, but I don't eat too much.
Look, they have cake and ice cream.
The ice cream is very popular here.
I'll save some space for dessert.
That's smart. I always eat too much.
Buffets make it hard to stop eating.
Yes, everything looks tempting.
How long do we have to eat?
We have 2 hours.
That's plenty of time.
Yes, let's enjoy the meal slowly.
I'm really hungry now.
Me too. Let's go get our food.